Evening, folks. I come out here real quick. I'm gonna probably be out here most of the night. A buddy of mine is in need of some 3.5 inch single aughts and triple aughts. And I've had a few people ask me about roll crimping 3.5 inch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how I set up my press here and make 3.5 inch roll crimps. Right now it's set up for these little nuts right here on the side, locking nuts. That sets the height of this drill press. Right now it's set up for 3 inch. As you can see, that'd be way too short for a 3.5. This is a 3.5 inch fold crimp. That'll fit in anybody's gun. And that's what we're wanting. We want to roll crimp them to turn out like a 3.5 inch shell. So, first thing I do is I loosen these nuts up and just raise them all the way up. Now, it'll come way down there. But, what I'm looking to do, guys, is bring the drill press down till it sits on top of this 3.5 inch shell. Then I'm going to take, there's two nuts there. The first one is I'm going to take that bottom one, bring it down, and snug it. And I'm going to set this to the side. Take my other 3.5 inch roll crimp. Make sure it's the same. Yep, it is. Then I'm going to bring the second nut down, which is going to lock that first nut into place. Now she's set to roll 3.5 inch shells. I'm gonna be making him some 20 pellet 3.5 inch using Chadites 3.5 inch red hulls. 3.5s are just like the 3 inch, guys. If you roll crimped it the way it is right now, you can do that. Problem is, it may not fit in everybody's gun. So what I do is just cut off a scissors width. Alright, I'm going to run 34 grains of blue dot powder in this thing. I'm going to use some 20 gauge 1/4 inch felt wads in these loads. Let me set a few of these out so I won't be digging all through this, because I'm trying to get y'all up close so you'll see exactly what I'm doing. Besides making a mess like I am, because my bench is already a mess. It's that time of year. You can't get it clean. Drop my 34 grains down inside of there. TPS white lightning, just a standard TPS white lightning 3 inch. I drop it down in there, guys. 1/4 inch 20 gauge felt wad. Once again, I just drop it on down there in the bottom. Snug it up good in the bottom. 20 pellets by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. 19, 20. 20 pellets in there, folks. 31 cal single aughts. I covered up Ballistic Products original buffer. Hard for me to do it this way, being I'm turned in here all kinds of funky. When it comes to these big 3.5s, guys, Blue Dot is my powder of choice. IMR Blue is great if you can find it. They discontinued it. But Blue Dot is my favorite for these heavy payloads. $20 pellets, 3.5 inch 31 cal single alt. That thing's a hammer, guys, right there. A lot of my buddies use that load. Let's try another one. Would help if I took this thing on, put it on auto. Like I said, I just pinch them. Trim off just a hair of them, guys. $34 grains, it beeped. It was a good charge. 34 grains. Now I got it on auto, it'll take off again on its own. See? It'll be ready as soon as I get done with this. $20 pellets once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 20 pellets. Clear overshot card. Good idea to take an oil rag, guys, on occasion. Every few shells. Run around the edge of your hole there. Another 3.5 inch 20 pellet 31 cal single alt. He wants 50 of these and 50 3.5 inch triple alts. I'm just going to attempt to get these 50 tonight, so I ain't got to sit out here all night. Or depends on how I feel. This is one of the best things you can do helping your clubs out, guys. When you get into this, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Some guys run the powder charge up even higher than that. I don't, guys. I'm getting close to 1,100 feet a second with that kind of payload. I'm not worried about it. And I ain't never seen a deer really worried about it. .5 inch 20 pellet single alt. In this short video that I've taken the time to show you, this is one of my most popular rounds I load up for the guys at the club. TPS White Lightning 20 gauge fiber wad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. I ain't gonna tell you this is load data, guys. I guess I need to start saying that so guys, nobody hurts themselves and tries to sue me over it. But this works good for us. Now, what you do with that knowledge is all the way up to you, whatever you want to do with it. Another perfect 3.5 inch 20 pellet single alt. One more will make it a box of 5. I don't know how long we've been doing this video, but it ain't been very long. 34 grains of blue dot once again. TPS White Lightning. 1/4 inch felt wad. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And I'm going to tell you, this round right here, and that TPS White Lightning, probably, that's one of the most accurate rounds. I don't care what shotgun we put it in. It shoots good in just basically anything we put it in. Alright guys, in a little bit of time that we took to make that video, we just made 5 3.5 inch 20 pellet single aughts. And these things, if a deer gets hit with this, he ain't walking away from it. I can do them a lot faster than that when I'm not trying to teach y'all how to do it, so y'all can do this for yourselves. But all you need is a roll crimp tool. Set your guides once you get one started. Let me show you. Let me find that fold crimp. Exact same size. That's hence why I like using the roll crimp. You trim it down a little bit, and you got it, fellas. There's a fold crimp 3.5 inch double aught. I mean, they're the exact same size. There is no difference in them. So yeah, you can roll 3.5s all day, folks. I hope that helps some of y'all. And deer season's coming up on us quick here, guys. Good luck, everybody. All right, later.